Okay, welcome A Plus traders. This is an introduction to the price action course. This course is compiled by me, Animitesa. I'm your lead coach at A Plus Trading Hub. In this course, we have about 4 modules, and all the lessons here and all the modules here comes with set examples. One on price action trading. The second one is on the best way to use Fibonacci's, how to apply Fibonacci the right way. The third one is on the best way to trade chart patterns. Out there we see so many different ways how to trade the chart patterns, but on this course I'm going to let you know the best way how you trade your chart patterns. And also on this course you're going to learn the proper way to manage your risks and also manage your trading account. So more about risk to reward, more about trading mindset on this course. All you need to do, fasten your seat belts, grab your notepad and your pen to take some notes. And also I will encourage you to pay attention to the details in this course, because if you miss any details you may miss the whole point. Wherever you don't get straight up, you always come to the trading group, the forum, and ask your question. I will always be there to attend to you and to give you more examples and give you more explanations. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, A Plus Trading Hub, and like all our videos if you learned one or two things from them, and also comment on them if there are things you will need us to implement or things you want to learn more. So just comment on the videos about that, then I will look at it, then see what I can do to help you, because my top priority is to make sure you are successful in your trading career, in your trading journey. You don't have to be trading Forex just for fun. You need to trade Forex to make money, to make more money, to build wealth, not just trading Forex to fund your immediate bills or lifestyle. We are looking at wealth creations in A Plus Trading Hub. So thank you, pay attention, and before we jump into the first module and the first lesson, subscribe to the YouTube channel now.